Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for coming. Today I'm back with a curly hair wig installation from Fashion Idol. Join me on the rest of the video to see how I install it in less than 5 minutes. So I really love how the wig comes with instructions on maintenance and care, making it easy for someone to know how to handle it. This is such a beginner friendly wig because of its easy installation and affordable price. I bought it for $1,200 from Best Lady in town next to Hilton. So this is not a lace wig. It comes with hooks at the back to secure it once you place it on your head. Now to prepare for this style, I have my hair in 8 cornrows and I also laid my edges. I'll just take my wig cap and put it on my hair to protect it and also just to ensure that everything is flat. I'll also leave out my edges just to create a more natural look with the hair. I'm going to go ahead and wear it on my hair, positioning it and ensuring it's lined up really nicely. Then I'll hook the hair behind, ensuring the hair is secure. You don't want your wig moving around. It's really not cute. Then I'll take some bobby pins just to secure the wig a little bit more to ensure that the area stays, those areas stay covered. So I'll secure it in front and on the side. Once I'm done, I'll stretch the hair out a little bit with my fingers just to ensure that it fluffs, filling it out just a little bit. So my little helper decided to check out on Mama's hair as she's making it to ensure that it's coming along well. Then I'll take my scissors and just shape the hair. So that's about it for this tutorial. I love the wig. It's fluffy and pretty cute. Most importantly, it's easy and quick to put it on, very beginner friendly and pocket friendly. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a comment down below and remember to subscribe, like and share. See you on the next one. Bye.